Ever wondered how seamless and dynamic today's events feel? Well, behind every successful event is cutting-edge technology that turns the ordinary into extraordinary. So let's have a look at some event tech and how it helps you with in-person events. Before the big day, it all starts with a click. Simplified registration and ticketing means hassle-free sign-ups and secure payments for your attendees. With robust event management software at their fingertips, planners can mastermind logistics from budgeting to scheduling and even vendor management. And for those going virtual, planning a hybrid or a fully online event is a breeze, with lots of technology designed for virtual networking and live streaming. Marketing gets turbocharged too. Automation features propel email campaigns, social media blasts and targeted ads to the forefront to ensure that no seat gets left empty. As doors open, digital check-in, QR code scanning and instant badge printing keep your lines short and your spirits high. Inside, the engagement skyrockets with live polls, interactive Q&A and captivating presentations that keep your audience hooked. Networking becomes effortless, with smart matchmaking and digital lounges connecting like minds and fostering meaningful conversations. And with everything at their fingertips through the mobile event app, attendees can navigate the event landscape with ease, accessing the agenda, updates and more. Meanwhile, access to live streaming and on-demand content ensures that nobody misses out no matter where they are. When the crowd's clear, advanced data analysis offers a deep dive into attendee engagement and behaviour, painting a clear picture of the event's impact. Follow-up is key. Automated emails and surveys continue the conversation and promote future events. Exhibitors rejoice as lead retrieval systems and CRM integrations make following up with prospects simple and effective. And the knowledge shared lives on as session recordings and slides are distributed digitally, extending the value of the event. From the first click to the last follow-up, event technology powers every step of the journey, creating experiences that are not only seamless, but are truly memorable. Stay ahead with the latest tech. Subscribe to the vFairs channel for more insights and innovations.